video, I'll be showing you how you can easily redeem the network gift card from WWE. First thing that you have to do is to access this link, which is www.com/WWE Network. And once inside the link, you just need to click the sign in and then sign in your account by filling in all of these fields and then click the submit button. After clicking the submit button, you will now see the dashboard or the main page of WWE Network. Now I want you to focus on this My Account icon and then click it. Inside the My Account icon, you will see the account details, including the redeeming of your gift card. So click it. Now, you just need to enter the code of your WWE Network gift card and just click the continue button. And after clicking the continue button, you will be brought into the success page where you can now enjoy your gift card. And that's it. That's how you can redeem your network gift card from WWE, and thank you for listening.